9:30. Got a very bad headache. Hardly slept last night. My Panadol is on 13. Just having my coffee. Once I finish, I'll go to 13. Did I say good morning? Good morning. Sorry. Doesn't feel like a good morning. Go to 13. I got laundry to do. Need to wash the floor mats. Trying to bite the cable tie. Like a little child. Everything she wants to put in her mouth. And get the laundry done. I have to go out. Need to get her food. She had 2 packets yesterday. I can't buy the cans because here, no fridge. Wait. Okay. One thing here, everything gets blown in. The other day when I came, there were cigarette butts, long strands of hair. Next year, either bring those blinds from there or buy new blinds. The blinds up. Cannot. Irresponsible people throw everything over the balcony. I must go to 13 and take Panadol. I don't have Panadol here. I was longing for a Panadol at 5 in the morning. I was so tempted to go, but my body just couldn't go. The laundry I must do. Her food I must buy. Other than that, I've got no plans for no class today. No class today. I'm just super exhausted. I must go to Tesco. Things I need to buy. Then Friday morning is Hillary. Hillary is just stop, pick up, and go. Okay, I'm going to finish my coffee before it gets cold. And go to 13 and take Panadol. Hey Puma, you're going to poke your eye. Are you stuck or what? No. I cut. Make it shorter so that she doesn't get poked. Puma. Puma. Nai. I've seen Puma here. Seen Mako here. Why? What? One day you'll be able to jump up there. Not now. For now, you're on level 1. And level 2. Now 1, 2. Okay, I stop first. Let's go take a Panadol.